Did you know that you can actually learn a language without paying a dime? Well, it sounds too good to be true, but it's true. I'm not lying. You can actually learn a language without paying anything. I mean, you can learn a language for free. I know you're very happy about it. It is true, honestly. So let me tell you 8 ways by which you can learn a language without paying anything. Ready? You haven't subscribed. You haven't subscribed. You haven't subscribed. You can't do that. Can't do that. Please subscribe and let's move on. Okay, so the first thing is language apps. You can actually just use a language app for free. You just have to use the free version of the app. And you don't need to pay for premium to be able to learn a language. For about 4 or 5 years of my language learning journey, I had not even paid for once any language app for the premium version. You can actually do the same. The second thing is podcasts. Listen to as many podcasts as you can in your target language, whatever language that you want to learn, whether it's Portuguese, French, Chinese, Japanese. Listen to podcasts. There are so many podcasts around that you can listen to, maybe on Spotify or Apple Music or wherever. Yeah. Music is also a great way to learn a language. You don't need to pay any language tutor. All you need to do is to look for artists who sing in your target language and get their songs. Or you can just go to Google and type French songs, French love songs, or French Christian songs, French gospel songs, and whatever pops up, you look for them, listen to them. Yep, like me. The other one is movies and TV shows. There are so many movies in your target language that you can watch. I know someone who actually learned a language, in fact, learned Spanish by just watching Spanish movies. So you can actually do that. The next thing is blogs and websites. You may think this is a joke. So whatever maybe topic you want to learn, if you want to learn conjugation in Spanish, for example, conjugation in Spanish, present tense, and then ta-da! The search engine is going to post so many websites, so many blogs for you. And that's okay. You can be able to do that, learn through those websites. I did social media. Social media, buso. Everywhere you go, MTN. So just look for those people who are on social media and they teach in your target language. Follow them and you can be able to have your lessons without paying. The last one is YouTube. YouTube offers so many lessons, and you can subscribe to whatever channel that you want, whatever teacher or tutor is on YouTube that you feel comfortable with, that you feel like when they teach you're able to understand. Follow them and watch their videos. The problem is that most of us are lazy. We just do not want to commit to it. Just commit to it and consistently watch, and you'll be very fine. Oh, I forgot to add, AI can also help you. Maybe ChatGPT, use ChatGPT, and it can be of very great help if you want to learn a language. All these things that I've told you work, depending on how much you commit to it. But again, it cannot be compared to going to class and having a teacher teach. It does not mean that you cannot be able to achieve proficiency if you do not hire a language tutor to teach you. I know so many people who are able to do that without even stepping into a classroom or paying or hiring any teacher. So, my dear, you can do it. Depends on the mindset. Hey, I forgot you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. You can't do that. Please subscribe. Let me know if you have any other ways by which you can learn a language for free, and we will see what we can do about it. Whatever video you also want me to do, any questions that you have for me, please drop in the comment section, and I'm going to answer them with a video. Thank you. My name is Miss Hetty, and this is B-Proficient.